Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our electric kettle series, today we're going to be unboxing the Ovente Electric Kettle that we bought for $15.99 on Amazon. Now, let's get to it. Let's take a look at the packaging. Okay, you can see here the capacity is 1.7 liters. It runs on 1100 watts, which is a little bit low in my opinion, but we'll see when we get to the thorough testing. Okay, I can see here auto shut off, boil dry protection, which we want for our electric kettle, and cold storage. You can see some more info like wide mouth spout, cool touch handle, and safety features, 360 swivel base. Yeah, now let's open it up. Okay, first thing I see, a stop sign with customer support information. Okay, I see no paddings here, only the base and the kettle, and at the bottom is the user manual. Okay, now let's take a look at the base. Base is made of plastic, color white, and you can see at the bottom is the cold storage. Now let's take a look at the kettle. It's very light. It feels okay in the hand. Not too good, but we'll see about that later. Okay, you can see the water level window and the markings, very clear. Oh, okay. So the button for the pop-up lid is actually on top of the lid. And you can see at the bottom here is stainless steel, which is what we want. Now let's try assembling the kettle to the base. Okay, turns smoothly. Not too smoothly, I might add. It does feel stable. So now let's pour in some water and try boiling it for the first time. Okay, so the opening is not very large because the lid pops up at a 90-degree angle. You can get water in, no problem. Okay, one touch. Okay, so there's a light inside the carafe. That's indicating that the kettle is running, but it's actually going to be quite hard to see from the outside, in my opinion. Oh, the spout also has a mesh filter that I didn't get to showcase. Okay, so while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's check out the user manual, shall we? Okay, so I can see that this kettle comes in many colors, including white, red, pink, and green. Okay, so in the manual I can see some important safeguards, parts and features, how to use, how to clean, and how to maintain. It looks pretty good. It looks quite colorful compared to many of the user manuals that I've seen. Two-year warranty? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's get back to our kettle. It seems like it's taking quite a while, but we're gonna know the exact time when we do the proper testing later on. Okay, so the water has reached a rolling boil now, but it's kind of hard to see. It's not very clear. Okay, so we're done. So we can see that the lid is not 100% tightly sealed, because we can see some vapor coming out from around the lid, but it's not too much of a problem. Okay, I'm gonna open the lid. Okay, the good news is, even though this is the first boil, I'm not noticing any odd odor, no plastic smell, so it's a good sign. Now let's try pouring water. Okay, so the angle is good. The stream is fast and steady. Yeah, not bad. There you have it, the unboxing of the Ovente Electric Kettle. First impression, the carafe is entirely plastic, so I know that some people might not like the water coming into contact with plastic out of, safety concerns, but I don't think that's too much of a problem. The main problem I have with this one is its slow boiling time. So we're gonna end this video here, but we'll dive into the design, usability, and most importantly, the performance of this kettle in our in-depth review video in the near future. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!